First, we head to the Thordata website and click on Login in the top right corner. Then, enter your account credentials below to log in. Upon successful login, you'll be automatically redirected to the dashboard. If this is your first time accessing the dashboard, you can select our free test quota here. If you've already purchased a package, click Residential Proxies in the left sidebar to switch to the Residential Proxy page. Here, you can choose the authentication method for this extraction by selecting User. If you haven't created an account yet, you can click the New User button on the right to do so. Click the Add button on the right and enter the account and password information sequentially. Below, you can set usage limits for this account and add notes. Once you've filled everything out, click Confirm. Click on the endpoint generator at the top. Here, you can filter the country, continent, city, and carrier information for the IPs you want to extract. Additionally, you can set the session type for the IPs. Thordata offers two modes, Sticky IP and Rotating IP. If you choose Sticky IP, you'll need to set the duration for the IP here, with a maximum of 90 minutes supported. If you select Rotating IP, the IP will change automatically. Once you've completed your settings, the extraction command will automatically update on the right based on your configurations, and you can choose different display formats here. Then, copy the command below and use it in any business process. Here's an example to test whether you can successfully extract IP.